Before I proceed to my main presentation, first I will give you some trivia. Do you know that dolphins are not a fish? Although they are marine animals, they belong to the species of mammals. Unlike fish, dolphins are not cold-blooded. The dolphins breathe through their lungs, while fish breathe through their gills. That's why fish don't breathe underwater. They must do frequent trips to the surface of the water in order to catch their breath. So, my name is Giselle Sumugat and I'm currently enrolled at the USM Alameda campus. Now, for my main topic, I'm gonna discuss to you about the bony fish and the elasmobranch fish. When we say bony fish, it refers to a large class of fish distinguished by a skeletal made up of bone, while elasmobranch fish refers to a class of fish that with a skeletal made up of cartilages. Example of bony fish are like salmon, tuna, bass, and rohu fish and the likes. While elasmobranch fish, example of these are sharks, rays, and batoids or dogfish and the likes. So I'm gonna present to you their external parts, their skeletal system, and their urogenital system. So first, I'm gonna show you the external parts of an elasmobranch fish. This is the external parts of shark, which is shark belongs to the elasmobranch fish. This is the snout, the eye, the spiracles, the spine, the first dorsal fin, the second dorsal fin, the precaudal pit, the upper lobe, the lower lobe, the caudal fin, and the caudal heel. The anal fin, the clasper, the pelvic fin, the pectoral fin, the gills or gill slits, the mouth, and the nostril. So for the skeletal system, this is the rostrum, the orbit, the attic capsule, the scapulopocaroid bar, the fin cartilages, also the fin cartilages, This is the vertebral column, the pelvic fin, the rib cartilages, the pectoral girdle, the gill arches, the Meckel's cartilage, the palatoquadrate arc, and the nasal capsule. For the urogenital system of an elasmobranch fish, this is the male, this is the female, the head kidney, the trunk kidney, the ureter, the testis, the sperm duct, the urinary bladder, the common urinary duct, the rectum, the anus, the male genital aperture, and the urogenital aperture. For the female, head kidney, trunk kidney, ureter, ovary, urinary bladder, common urinary duct, the rectum, the oviduct, the anus, the female genital aperture, and the urinary aperture. Here is the external parts, the mouth, the eye, the spiny dorsal fin, the soft dorsal fin, the caudal fin, the anal fin, the pectoral fin, the pelvic fin, and the gills. For the skeletal system, this is the parts of the skull. This is the gill cover support, or the gill cover, which is the below it. This is the gill cover support, the brain case, the upper jaw, and the lower jaw. This is the backbone, the soft fin rays. This is also the soft fin rays, and then the fin ray support, and then the soft fin rays also, the soft fin rays, the anal spine, the rib, the pelvic spine, the pectoral girdle, the pelvic girdle, the male, the female, esophagus, liver, vasa efferentia, testis, anterior part of kidney, posterior part of kidney, sessile gland, rectum, urogenital sinus, clasper, pelvic fin, the sperm duct, the vesicula seminalis, and the ureter. Ovidical funnel, the liver, the oviduct, the shell gland, the kidney, the uterus, the cloaca, the pelvic fin, the rectum, the ureter, the rectal gland, the epidural organ, and the ovary, and the esophagus. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.